Hello, everyone. Welcome to Detox, the design podcast. This is your host, Sanjay Reddy, and I'm super duper excited about this episode. This episode is a success story. Story of Jatin Anand, a student that I know personally. He is All India Rank 2 in UCET examination. Now, Jatin did not know about UCET examination. He was actually preparing for IIT JEE mains, and his uncle told him that there is an examination which you might be interested in. That is where I got introduced to Jatin. That is how I know him, and that makes it even special because it is someone who I know personally. I had a little role to play in his preparation for this examination. So, in this episode, he shares his story about how he prepared for this examination and what are the things that he did particularly to focus on different topics and all of those things. Now, let's hear a story from Jatin himself. Hey, Jatin, how are you?
Hi, fine. How are you?
Good, good. It's been a while, man. It's been a while.
Yeah, weeks, months actually.
Yeah, months. How has it been?
Well, I would say quite boring sometimes, but
Uh
I did find something amusing to do.
huh. I'm sure after your UC result, you'd be really happy to just sit at home and do nothing.
Yes, actually, that is really true. Honestly, I just wake up at 10 in the morning and
Uh,
I'll just be on bed all day. Really.
what do you do, man, on bed all day?
Well, I wake up,
Hmm.
then I'll watch some Netflix,
Hmm.
then I'll solve some cubes.
Huh?
I like cubes actually.
Okay.
Then I'll read some novels. Then I teach a kid. Then I'll
Uh-huh.
play PUBG, kind of obsession. Yeah.
Okay.
Then a bit more Netflix. Yeah, then that's about it pretty much. Calls, maybe some.
Okay. Okay. I think you need this
Yeah.
phase where you just rest and do nothing because you will be able to.
Do nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, because you'll be doing a lot of things when you
I'll
go to
have
IIT
pretty
Bombay.
much. Yeah.
Nice. So let's talk about your UCET exam. You were All India Rank 2 in UCET exam. And how did UCET happen? Like, how did you come to know about UCET exam?
Well, I came to know about design from
Hmm.
a friend. Then I didn't know about UCIT. I just only knew about NID and NIFT,
Hmm.
and I wasn't quite convinced that that's for me. Matlab, NID is more creative. Then I got to know about UCIT from my uncle. He told me it's a course and it pretty much suits you. So
Mhm.
why don't you give it a shot? So I
Okay.
was like, okay.
Let's talk about now why design, because a lot of students in 11th and 12th standard, they barely think about design. Okay. Very few students think about design.
Yeah.
All they think about is going to IITs and studying engineering and all those things. So
Mhm.
why design, and how did you reach a point where you decide that okay, I want to do design for my bachelor's?
Actually, I was a bit technical,
Hmm.
but along with I was creative too.
Hmm.
What I didn't realize was I was more creative and less technical. I
Okay.
would say. Yeah. So what I got confused. I thought that I want to do engineering, but then I got to know about design. Actually, you see, when I got to know about UCIT, I felt I got a vibe that it's the thing which will suit me the best.
Hmm.
So before that, I was all oriented towards engineering. कि हाँ मेरे को engineering करनी है. मैंने 6th क्लास में सोचा था कि मुझे engineering करनी है. उसके
Wow.
बाद या 7 years right. फिर
Yeah.
उसके बाद जब मेरे को यूसीटी का पता चला it suddenly hits me कि man this is better.
Hmm.
I mean I like this more than engineering.
So did
It's huge.
your parents know about design, or did you tell them? On how did it happen? Like, were they able to understand what design is? Because what happens is, usually even when I was going into design, I had to do a lot of explanation to my parents that okay, this is design and this is what the scope of design is. So I'm just curious, want to know, because for me it was like few years ago. So I just want to understand how the scenario is right now.
उनको नहीं पता था डिजाइन के बारे में. didn't know about it. मैंने
Mhm.
बताया था उन्हें कि
Mhm.
डिजाइन है इट्स अ कोर्स और ऐसा ऐसा करियर है.
Mhm.
और आगे जाके इट्स गोना बी हाइक
Mhm.
लाइक इंजीनियरिंग एंड मेडिकल की तरह होने वाला है। और एक्चुअली द थिंग इज कि दे आर ओपन माइंडेड। उन्होंने मेरे को फोर्स नहीं किया था कि मैं इंजीनियरिंग करूँ। दे डिडंट डिसाइड एनीथिंग फॉर मी, दे वर जस्ट कि तुम्हें जो करना है कर सकते हो।
Mhm.
तो मेरे को उन्होंने फोर्स नहीं किया था, फिर मेरे को कन्विंस करने में भी ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं हुई है। जैसे कि डिज़ाइन कोर्स एंड आई वांट टू परस्यू इट बिकॉज आई फील कि ये मेरे को ज़्यादा सूट करता है। तो लाइक
Mhm.
ओके यू कैन गो फॉर इट यू लाइक।
That's
तो
pretty
yeah,
good,
sort
man.
of.
That's pretty good, actually. Very supportive parents, and even my parents were
Yeah.
sort of like that. They said, okay, if you want to go to design, do it, but the only condition was that I do it, like give my 100% in it, because I was leaving a job and going for it. So, how did you prepare for the exam?
The most important thing, I mean, जो मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा करा है is following the previous year question papers. I mean, I
Okay.
think that's one of the most important things that you have to do,
Mm-hmm.
right? So books, I would say, मैंने ज़्यादा books पे ज़्यादा dependent नहीं रहा। मैंने
Mm-hmm.
ज़्यादा question papers और जो teachers ने questions दिए हैं उन पे
Mm-hmm.
ज़्यादा dependent रहा, उन पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया है, right? और yeah, that's about it. जो
Okay.
classes हैं और वही question papers and classes, that was the most
Okay.
important.
Okay. Now, when you mention classes, like what kind of classes were these?
Well, they covered both things. I mean, they covered the creative part and they covered the analytical questions, reasonings, and mathematics and geometry,
Mm-hmm.
everything. They covered it covered everything. एंड मेरे को कभी ये फील नहीं हुआ कि मैं क्लास करने के बाद घर जाऊं फिर उसको दोबारा पढूं।
Mm-hmm.
मतलब कि मैं लगा हुआ हूँ कि क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, दैट वाजंट माय थिंग। कभी रही भी नहीं है मेरी थिंग।
Okay.
तो
Okay.
क्लासेस अटेंड करना एंड क्वेश्चंस इज लाइक ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं स्टडी करने बैठा हूँ मैं 4 4 घंटे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ। दैट वाज द थिंग दैट आई यूज्ड टू डू।
Mm-hmm.
मेरे लिए क्या ज्यादा सूट करता था कि मैं जब भी खाली बैठा हूँ एंड आई एम थिंकिंग कि व्हाट शुड आई डू, आई विल जस्ट ओपन द क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड सॉल्व कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चन। दैट वाज अबाउट इट बिकॉज मेरे पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ करता था।
Okay.
सो या दैट्स
Okay. Okay. Anything in particular that you did that helped you in the exam?
well while I'm traveling, right?
Hmm.
So sometimes I would just see something strange, right?
Hmm.
Something just like I would just want to capture it.
Hmm.
So I would capture it and then I would sketch it. Then I would write some code on it. Then I would write a small story with it, right? So मैंने वो चीजें करना start किया, but they helped me in the exam.
And anything in particular that you did to practice for the sketching part of it?
Like I said कि मेरे पास टाइम ज्यादा नहीं होता था क्योंकि मेरे को जेई की भी तैयारी करनी होती थी, आई हैड टू गो फॉर दैट टू, और
Hmm.
यूसीट की भी। तो मेरे क्लासेस में ऑलमोस्ट पूरा डे कवर हो जाता था।
Hmm.
13 hours, yeah, 13 hours of
Wow.
traveling and attending classes. After
Wow.
that मैं घर पहुंचूंगा फिर तो ऑल या फिर उसके बाद डिनर और स्लीप के लिए टाइम होता है। तो स्केचिंग मैं कहाँ करूँ फिर? सो आई
Hmm.
डिसाइडेड कि बेस्ट थिंग इज कि जब ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं तब स्केचिंग कर सकते हैं। तो
Hmm. Hmm.
मेट्रो में स्केचिंग करता था क्योंकि बाकी जगह पे ज्यादा स्टेबल नहीं होता था।
Hmm.
मेट्रो में स्टेबल होता था, तो
Hmm.
मेट्रो में मेरा ट्रैवल पर डे का 1 घंटे का होता था। दैट वाज इनफ फॉर मी
Okay.
क्योंकि उसमें काफी लाइट स्केचिंग हो जाती थी।
Okay. Okay. Pretty good. I think it's sort of you deserve this lazy period that you're enjoying right now because you said you spent 13 hours in classes and traveling and running to one class from another. Maybe you just deserve this
Yeah.
lazy period that you have right now. And for part B, let's talk about what are the kind of questions that you used to solve for sketching.
Yeah. Well, I would start with simple questions first, right? Let's say I'm solving questions with perspective,
Hmm.
right? So मैं पहले simple question solve करूँगा, then I
Hmm.
would go for a bit more complex.
Hmm.
Then I would go more complex than the exam. मतलब एग्जाम में जितनी जरूरत है उससे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूंगा क्योंकि
Okay.
मैं कर सकता हूँ। आई
Hmm.
बिलीव कि मैं कर सकता हूँ तो मैं करता हूँ। इट्स नॉट अ नेसेसिटी कि सबको करना चाहिए,
Hmm.
बट मैं कर सकता था तो मैंने करा एंड इट हेल्प मी, रियली हेल्प मी। क्योंकि फिर अगर हम हार्ड कर लेते तो फिर उसके नीचे वाला लेवल पहले से तो आसानी लगता है, राइट?
Right.
तो मैंने ये चीज करी है। तो अगर मैं क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ तो आई वुड गो अ लिटिल बिट फर्दर देन नीडेड इन द एग्जाम व्हिच वुड देन हेल्प मी आफ्टर।
Right. Okay. All right. So one last question before we close this episode. Mathematics or any creative part or any topic that you think is the most important to prepare for when you're talking about UCET.
mathematics, if you consider that, geometry is important.
Mm-hmm.
Geometry is important thing because सरफेस के जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो आप सिर्फ ज्योमेट्री से सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. देन और अगर टॉपिक से अगर मैं सजेस्ट करूँ कि मैंने ज्यादा ध्यान दिया हो उनमें पढ़ने के लिए, तो दैट इज लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. और वो आप क्या बोलते हैं, एक हफ्ते में या 2 हफ्ते में नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू गेट यूज टू इट, राइट. और यूसीट की लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आर बिट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर नॉर्मल गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम. बाकी सबकी क्वाइट सेम ही होती है, बट यूसीट की इज अ बिट डिफरेंट. I have a friend who is preparing for JEE. He scored 99 percentile in
Wow.
April,
Wow.
and he was confused with UCIT questions. He was asking me like, "Man, I cannot solve them. Can you help me?"
Okay.
मैंने कहा, yeah, now you feel how it feels. Right? So it is different, and you cannot work on it in just a week or so.
Okay, that's a
Logical
very good
reasoning
input.
is an important thing.
Okay, all right. So you said geometry and logical reasoning is what you think is the most important, are the most important topics.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
For part A.
So Jatin, do you have any other hobbies? Because I see a guitar over there. I think it's a guitar, right?
Yeah, it's a guitar.
Yeah.
It's 2 guitars actually.
Oh, it's 2 guitars. Okay. So you have any hobbies? I
One
guess you
for me and
play.
one for my brother.
Okay. You guys jam together?
Yeah, sometimes.
That's nice.
I like to different instruments, not just guitar. I play guitar and tabla and drums and keyboard, flute and harmonium.
Wow.
Right. So I like playing instruments. Then I like reading novels. I like writing, and I like singing, of course. I play, so I sing too. And I like to fix things. I know that sounds a bit strange, but what it means is कि for example, something's broken, like you can, for an example, you can take a toy, right? It's broken. You have to understand how it works, right? So I really like to, work on it. Ki how does it work? Or kaise wo theek hoga, then I would fix it. That's a hobby. Yeah, it sounds strange, but it is a hobby. I guess that's about it. Solving puzzles and this and that. Yeah.
So doing all of these things, do you think any particular thing helped you in the design entrance exams? Even NID for that matter, you would have also appeared for NID when you appeared for UC. So any particular thing that you do on the side that helped you in the exam in some way or the other?
Yes. A couple of things actually. I solved cubes, like I said, so it helped me understand 3D objects, right? I mean, मैं simple एक cube को solve कर रहा हूँ, but I still can imagine other objects. Okay, मेरे को there are algorithms that I have to remember that I came up with myself, right? तो मेरे को remember करना पड़ता है. और फिर मेरे को काफी ज्यादा surfaces count करने वाले questions जो होते हैं, वो भी मेरे को समझ में आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि cube भी different types से solve कर रहा हूँ मैं. तो मेरे को समझ में आ जाता है कि अच्छा ठीक है, इसमें ऐसे होगा, ऐसे होगा. तो वो ज्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता. तो वो 3D वाला पार्ट एंड रीजनिंग वाला पार्ट मेरा ट्यूब से ठीक हुआ था. एंड द थिंग आई टॉक्ड अबाउट जस्ट अ मिनट बिफोर कि रिलैक्स रहना चाहिए. सो दैट्स द बडी हु हेल्प्ड मी विद इट. That helped me with it, yeah.
Right.
Because you have to be relaxed even if you're playing something fast or something very pressurized. तुमको still you have to be relaxed जब आप play कर रहे हो. So that really helps. Even though some people do not really think कि हाँ ये true है, but it is true and it really helps you to be relaxed in pressured conditions. Yeah. Okay.
Makes sense. Very interesting. And anything that you think that you did that must not have been done? Any mistake that you've made during the preparation?
I wouldn't say during preparation. Well, I sometimes took some questions for granted. Yeah, that's true, honestly. And I did that in exam too.
Okay.
I took some questions like some things that I studied in JEE. So I thought I do not have to consider that factor. But then I got to know कि I should have considered it, and मेरा score काफी improve हो सकता था अगर मैं उसे consider करता था. So yeah, that's a mistake I made, and I really suggest कि किसी को भी mistake नहीं करनी चाहिए.
So how did you manage your time during the exam?
I didn't constrain myself with like I have to solve this question in 1 minute because calculating the number of questions along with the time given मेरे को इसको इतने मिनट में करना चाहिए. I didn't constrain myself with that. क्योंकि कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो जल्दी हो जाते हैं, क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टाइम लेते हैं, राइट? तो थोड़ा फ्री रिलैक्स माइंडेड होके, बट या आई डिड हैव इन माइंड कि हाँ टाइम है, देयर इज टाइम बाउंडेड, मेरे को टाइम में ही करना है. बट मैंने अपने आप को रश नहीं करा था किसी भी क्वेश्चन को कि जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ के कर दूंगा. आराम से क्वेश्चन पढ़ा था, आराम से सॉल्यूशन किया था. और एक्चुअली द थिंग इज कि अगर हम आराम से करते भी ना रिलैक्सिंग से, तो वो जल्दी होता है. इफ वी रश इनटू इट वी गेट कंफ्यूज कि अरे मैंने क्या पढ़ा था, मैं भूल गया, एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो वो चीज आपको फिर लॉन्ग टर्म ही कर देती है उस क्वेश्चन को. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि रिलैक्स होके करो. या देयर इज टाइम, लिमिटेड टाइम है, बट स्टिल रिलैक्स होके करो तो इट वुड बी far much better.
All right. That's a very good suggestion, Jatin. And I completely agree. Like, you have to be very composed even during the exam. That's when you actually crack the questions. Otherwise, it becomes a little difficult. Did you take any guidance from somewhere? Like, was there somebody who was telling you which way to go?
Actually, well, not many people know about design, right? So all guidance I had was from my teachers.
Okay.
They guided me through all the stuff. Like, they never went like always motivating me that yeah, this question is so good, हाँ तुम्हारा आंसर बहुत अच्छा है, and something like that. They would always tell me the wrongs and the rights of my answer.
Okay.
So yeah, the only guidance I had was my teachers.
Okay. That's pretty good. From here, like, you got into IIT Bombay. Where do you see yourself in, let's say, 5 years? Like, you graduate from your bachelor's course. How do you see yourself?
5 years down the road, I would say I'm working, but not on the bigger position or something. I'm working under someone because I want to learn. The design is not something that you can study in books or something like that. You have to experience and learn it, right?
Yeah.
So I would say I see myself working under some experienced person.
Okay.
Not preferably in a big company or something like that, but yeah, someone experienced, genuinely experienced.
Okay. And any particular inclination that you have? Let's say you want to do product design, you want to do transportation design or graphic design. What is your inclination? Do you have any idea about it?
Yeah, product design. First priority.
Okay, why is that?
Product design is what I would do. Okay, well, why? Because, like I said, I'm a bit technical too, right? Not mostly, but yeah, I am technical, and I want to keep that with me. I've studied it. मैंने उसमें मेहनत करी है, उस चीज़ में काफी सारी चीजें स्टडी करी है, तो मैं उनको ये नहीं चाहता कि वो कहीं यूज ना हो मेरे आगे जाके, राइट? और नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, मेरे को पसंद भी है, आई वांट टू यूज देम. सो बेस्ट जो फिट होता है इन सारी चीजों को कंसीडर करते हुए, दैट्स प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग. और या आई लाइक इट.
Okay.
ये भी एक चीज है.
That's really good that you have some idea of where you want to go. During your bachelor's, you can shape up your portfolio like that. So this is pretty good. If you have to sum up everything and say, okay, these are the three main things that a student should do to score good in UCED, what would those three things be?
First one would be trust your teachers. Right? They know what they are telling you. And you don't have to be like कि मैं बात सुनूंगा नहीं, से वो जो बोल रहे हैं उनको सुनना है, even though if it feels like कि हाँ कि मतलब तुम्हें लग रहा है कि यार ये हेल्प नहीं करेगा, it will help क्योंकि उन्होंने ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस करा हुआ है, इसलिए तुमको बता रहे हैं. हाँ, तो सेकंड पॉइंट वुड बी ऑप्टिमिस्ट. I know it's a bit usual, very common thing that everyone says कि yeah, be optimistic, be positive. But why I am saying one of the most three important things मैंने उसको उसमें क्यों काउंट किया, because it helps you do things that you weren't able to do before. जो आपसे पहले नहीं होता था वो अब आप कर पाओगे. मैंने एक ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस किया था कि मैं स्टोरी बोर्डिंग नहीं कर पाता था. मेरे को इतना वो भी नहीं था कि हाँ मैं कर पाऊंगा. बट मेरे टीचर ने बोला कि तुम कर सकते हो, यू मस्ट ट्राई इट, गिव इट अ शॉट, एंड आई थिंक कि तुम कर सकते हो. जब मैंने किया था, इट वाज प्रीटी गुड, एंड आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड कि हाउ डिड आई डू इट. right? So you have to be optimistic. आपको परेशान नहीं होना है. You have to be optimistic कि हाँ कर सकते हैं. Right? That's the second thing I would say. And the third thing कि never take anything for granted.
Okay.
When you think कि I should consider it, right? If you see a question कि I should solve it, don't take it for granted कि I will solve it some other time or something like that. You have to solve it now if you can. If you have some advice कि I should solve question papers, then you must solve it. Okay, it's gonna help. It's question papers. I mean, ये पहले आए हैं तो तुम्हारे पास भी ऐसे आने वाला है. तुमको उसे solve करना है. So don't take things for granted. तुम्हें जो भी करना है, जो भी करने को मिला उन्हें करो. Granted के लिए मतलब चीज़ें.
Okay.
That is most important.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, Jatin. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your lazy time and doing this with me today. I'm sure a lot of students would look up to this podcast and they would gain some value out of it. And
Yeah,
I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you,
And
sir.
it's going to be really exciting because I would be looking forward to hearing from you what you're doing at IIT Bombay. It's going to be very interesting.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. Yeah, I'll keep you updated.